Okay, then let's get started.
Good morning, teacher, and good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Mekra. I'm 16 years old. I live in the province. Today, I'm really happy to tell you about my favorite sport. My favorite sport is playing football. Playing football is a sport that most of you enjoy playing and keep you healthy. On the other hand, in other countries, always like to play not only, it is also a sport that we promote and is an international sport. Playing football is very important for all of you to play for fun and health. I really like playing football sections.
My name is Marie. I'm 15 years old. I live in the province. Today I would like to write a topic related to my patriotism. First of all, the work I love happened when I was young grade 9. I really love work and was very strong research. I like and want to do it because then I make a habit of reading a book and read book. I like to like ball and other books. The job I mentioned about is that I want to do a doctor in the future. I will have to work hard to learn a job related subject, having subject like math, biology, English or science are very important. So promise myself that I would to do my best to achieve issue. Thank you.
Hello everyone, and so today I tell you about a person unexpectable. She is my mother. My mother name is Piep. She lives in the province. My mother is tall and fat, and she has long hair. My mother is quiet and polite, but she's sorry at work. I love and respect my mother because she is a good mother to me. She always helps me when I have a problem and talk help when I am sick. Finally, thank you for your attention.
Hello teacher and hello everyone. My name is Lina. Today I come to share my feeling today. It was one of the more exciting times in my life. Our family reunion. My family really get together because it remember had job to do. My older sister, she lives in Soeung. She does not have my time to come home. My mom, my brother, and my sister, they work the same way. That we really get together when there is an opportunity to get together. It is so happy and more exciting time for me. All the things, it is so much for the fun for me and my family. Exciting, love to meet love one and for my family. Thank you for the attention.
Everyone, today I come to tell about a person I admire the most. A person I admire the most is my father. He is still right. He has 30 years old. He has short black hair and he lives in the province. My father is a person like take care of my family. I really love my father because he is a father. Also make my family better. My father is a hero in my family. I am very lucky thanks to a father. Father sacrifice everything for the family. I love my father so much.
Hello teacher and everyone, my name is Tony. Today I want to tell you about Phnom Penh City. Phnom Penh City is the capital city. Phnom Penh City has a lot of buildings and there are many people, less population, and there are many people. But it's really beautiful and it has vivid accurate royal palace and many places. Where after I leaving high school and I study in